guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for this ugly setup. One of my light bulbs broke and I don't know where else to film, so I'm just filming on a blank wall with one light bulb. So today we are going to do our Boxycharm unboxing, and yes, I have looked in the box, and yeah, so let's get into it. So the first thing in the box that I see is these brushes. Well, not that I see, but like it's not that I see it, but I don't know how to say it without saying the first thing that I see. But it's these brushes, and these are crown brushes, I believe, and these retail for $29.99. This little one, let me get it out the thing. It says it's for contouring. I don't know why it's so wide, bro, but it's for contouring. This one, I guess, is a pointy powder brush, and this one is just like a large shader eyeshadow brush. They kind of look like the Wet n Wild brushes, like everybody says, but so we are going to use these brushes really quickly. Let me see. I have my foundation and concealer on, so I'm just going to bronze and oh man, I'm going to bronze and set my face with this. So I guess I'm gonna set my under eye with this little pointed brush, and I'm going to go in with this banana color right here, and I guess I'm going to just set my under eye. So I just set my concealer everywhere I put my concealer with this little pointed brush, not pointed, this little like brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this pointed like powder brush, I guess, and I'm going to bronze my base, and I'm going to use the middle color right here, and yeah. I just bronzed with this little pointed powder brush. I really like it for bronzing, and maybe I could have set my under eyes with it too, but this little thing is so cute. The last brush in here is this little shader brush. I'm gonna use it for something that is in the box, but I guess let's go into the next thing. Like, I guess as I do my face, I don't know. So the next thing is this holographic, you can see the lights, this holographic highlighter palette from Naked Cosmetics, and it retails for $39.99, almost $40. I'm not into the whole holographic highlights, but I guess like I can use them as eyeshadows, or you know, like something that like I don't know, like I can use it for. So I'm going to highlight my face, I guess, and I'm going to use this little, it's like pink, it's pink, so I'm gonna just highlight my face. Okay, like, does it not come out or what? I don't know. Whoa, I don't know if you saw that, guys, but it's super holographic. Oh my god, sorry. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but this thing is like super holographic. Okay, I'm gonna use the little like purple highlight, I guess. Dude, they're super beautiful, but like I will not wear this on an everyday basis. Maybe for some eyeshadow or something, but yeah, I use this color and this color, and like I don't know if you can see like the reflex or whatever, but I don't know, I would have to like play around with it or maybe like use it for eyeshadow, but I will definitely not be using this for highlighter. So the next thing is this cover. Oh man, it's okay, I'll just use it another time, but it's this little Cover FX shimmer veil, and this retails for $28, and this is what it looks like. It's in the shade Amethyst, and it says that you can use this multi-use shimmering cream colors, are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. So I see on the box that you can use it on your lips, on your eyes, or as a highlight, or anywhere you wanna put this little thing. I'm going to try it. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna try it on my eyelids, and yeah, I'm gonna see, and probably for my lips, and then you know I'll see what. Oh my god. Wow, that is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of this brown color and just put it like on the sides of my eyes with the little flat shader brush that came from the 3-piece set. So I just put a little bit of my bronzer on the sides of my the corner of my eyes. I'm going to go back in with the Naked Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna try to use the other colors just to see, you know, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm going to use this blue, and it looks like nothing on the brush. I don't know, that's, you gotta be careful when that stuff is like that because it's really pigmented. So I'm gonna just put it underneath my brow. Wow, dude. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this green, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Wow. Oh my god, I really like it. Oh my god. Okay, I look crazy, but wow. And I'm gonna take the, that's it. I'm gonna probably play around with this palette a little bit more in another video, maybe, if you would like it. I don't know. But there is one more thing that came in the box, and it's this Bella Pierre. Oh no, actually no, I'm actually lying. There's two more things. This Bella Pierre Cosmetics shimmer powder eyeshadow. I guess like you can use it also as eyeshadow or highlight or whatever. So I'm just going to put this on top of the shimmer veil just to see, guys, you know, I opened it just to see. I don't think that this really does anything. I don't know, I would have to try it on my own. Sorry guys again. I would have to try it out on my own, but I put it over the shimmer veil and like it made it a little more purplier, if that's a word. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know guys, I don't know. But the last thing in the box is this Vintage Cosmetics, why am I saying cosmetics like that? Cosmetics, there we go. Smoky eye pencil, and it's just a traditional like wooden black eye pencil. And actually I just ran out of mine, so I really needed one. So again, thank you Boxycharm, you're always coming through. So I'm just gonna put this on my waterline and tight line my upper eye, and we'll see how it is. I couldn't do the top because it was like really making my eyes water. I don't know what it is with wooden liners, they make my eyes water more than retractable eyeliners. I mean, I like it because it's really black, but damn, it's like making my eyes water so bad. And but yeah, the last thing I'm gonna do is just put this on my lips just to see, you know, like I don't think I would ever wear this. Maybe as lip gloss or something, I don't know. I don't think it's lip gloss though, but I'm gonna try this. And yeah. Okay guys, so I look like a hot mess. Look at my lips, but yeah, I wouldn't wear this outside or anything. Like, this is really embarrassing actually. I feel like the more you put your lips down on it, the more shimmer and the more whiter it gets. Wow, this looks really bad. But maybe as a lip topper or something it would like look okay. I don't know guys, like I don't know. But so yeah, if you have Boxycharm, please let me know what you got, or please let me know if you liked this box this month or whatever. So in the next 2 videos that I will be doing, I will be announcing, like, if you want to leave me any questions, please leave me in the comments down below, or follow me on my social media. Maybe you can ask me on my social media. But I want to do a Q&A so my subscribers can get to know me more. And yeah, so if you want to like ask me anything, it doesn't matter what it is, then just either leave it in the comment section down below, or follow me on my Instagram or on my Snapchat, and then ask me. If you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please comment. Like I said, ask me any questions that you guys want to know. And yeah, let me get this this shimmer veil off my lips because I look ridiculous. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.